this tool. This is a conduit bender. Many years ago we used to call these electricians hickey, and I don't know where that term came from, but that's what the nickname was on it. And this one in particular from Klein tools has a kind of an interesting feature on it, so let me show you that. Comes with this little wedge looking thing here, and what it does is, so depending on how far you want to bend it, and those are marked here how many degrees you want to bend it, you can put this in the stick this in here. There's little tabs and little slots in there, and there's tabs on the bottom of the wedge, and if you put it in to the appropriate spot, get it in there, just push it. I don't have it lined up quite right. Hang on a second, let's see. That's right. Alright, so it snaps in there, and then when you're bending, what you can do is, when you bend it back, if I go too far, I'm not going to be able to see that. So when you bend, the conduit bottoms out against that wedge. Can't do this without putting it on the floor. Hang on a second. And it stops right there, and that will give you a bend of whatever degree you put in there. So in this case it's 10 degrees. So I'll just put an extra 10-degree bend in that. This is a piece of scrap, but you can see right here there's now a 10-degree bend there, and you can use it on any of the bends up to 60 or so. And so that takes the guesswork out of it. If you do a lot of these every day, you probably know by feel how far to go, and I don't do that many of them, so I don't bend very often, so having that on there allows me to do much more accurate work. And overall the tool's nice. It's I bought the one with the aluminum head because it was less expensive than the cast iron one. If you're doing this on a daily basis, you're an electrician, you probably want to get the cast iron head, but I don't need it because I don't do that often. So the this is fine for me, and it's good and sturdy. And there's a flare at the bottom here if for some reason you need to put another pipe on here to extend your leverage. I don't believe any other manufacturer has that particular feature to it. And this little thing, it stores underneath here like this, so when you're not using it, it won't disappear. You just snap it in there and it's stored like that. So a nice feature for this. I mean, there was no price penalty for it. It was the same cost as the other manufacturers' benders without the little tool there. So it's kind of a no-brainer, and as with Klein, you almost always have good quality, so you don't have to worry about that. So I think that was a good purchase, but I just wanted to show you that quick in case you need to bend some conduit. This is a 1/2-inch conduit bender, for 1/2-inch metallic tubing. I know they make a 3/4. I don't know if with that little thing on it. I'm not sure they go up to 1 inch or not. I'm not positive, but anyway, they do make a 1/2 and 3/4 with that little gadget in it. So if you are looking for a conduit bender, the Klein version here is that's a good buy. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and please take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.